I don't have
Still
plates.
same loser?
I don't
Yeah.
have fucking plates.
I got a Utah pop. Here. Utah.
Thank you, bro.
Welcome, Papa.
Cowboy did all 3 camo grinds. That's some sick work.
Same.
I think Crossfire did too.
I would have been one of the first in the world to have fucking this, but I didn't get shadowed.
You got shadowed from plunders.
I got shadowed in the first 2 hours of the fucking shipping out.
No.
Yeah, I
Fire
dropped
down.
down 47 in plunder, and they're like, yep, that's done. I get shadowed at least once a year. And then it's good.
Yeah, you couldn't pay me to do that zombie shit, bro.
I did it before Warzone, I couldn't do it again.
Oh yeah.
Fire? Or like,
Yeah, definitely fire. I fold one top fire, so they're probably
They're not
probably
very
not
happy
happy. Yeah.
Fire tower. I swear I thought I saw a glint.
I don't see anyone in the tower.
Okay.
Those guys on the right are still looking at us though. Yeah, I knew you were gonna hit that. Holy shit.
One's down
What the
on the
hell,
tower, like on
dude?
the back side of the tower. My mask
Hey,
is depleted too.
utility out.
That's our last Utah.
I should have asked for plates on top of fire.
I had one down
I think
on
we-
top fire.
I think we parachute to fire right now.
He was down like behind this tower. I'm with. Not with.